one of the largest medical malpractice verdicts just came out, but the story behind it is actually very sad. This gentleman, he went to a clinic that's focused on men, testosterone and penis injections, things like that. The treatment was done incorrectly, and as a result, his penis no longer works. The jury awarded over $400 million, which seems like a lot, but when you factor in that this person can no longer use their penis anymore, and there's probably a lot of future medical complications related to that, it could be justified. At the end of the day, it was 12 jurors that came to this verdict. Couple things to know when it comes to medical malpractice. So this happened in another state, but in California where I practice, you only have 12 months to file a claim or a lawsuit in most medical malpractice cases. So you don't want to wait too long to speak to an attorney. The other thing is you have to prove that the medical provider fell below the standard of care. That means they committed malpractice. So in this case, they provided injections for his penis, it looks like, that were far too strong, and then gave him bad advice. And by the time he went to the emergency room to fix it, it was too late. So you've got to look for that malpractice or treatment that fell below the standard of care. It can't just be like a known risk or a known complication where nothing bad was done. You have to show that there was a negligent act by the doctor that caused the injury. Another important issue is that there are caps and damages in California, and whether this case would have been subject to those caps or whether that verdict would have been cut down based on the California caps is not clear based on the article. But in California, there are caps for things like pain and suffering. So oftentimes you'll hear from malpractice attorneys like myself that we're looking for cases that have future medical issues or lost wages because those are not capped. So those are a couple things to think about if you're worried about your own medical malpractice case in California.